Hello viewers, today I'm going to cover a 3 BHK apartment sample flat. So this will be a common drop off area of 3 towers. Right at the front we'll be having water body, and this structure work will be completed till 3rd floor height, and this will get vertical gardens on it just like this. So this is a common drop off area for 3 towers. So center one is a 4 BHK tower, and on both the sides we'll be having 3 BHK towers which has a sub apartment size of 3090. So let's move towards the sample apartment. So right at the entrance we have a double heighted lobby. So same kind of lobby you will find in all the towers. So this will have waiting areas, and there will be a space for guard in all the towers. So every guard will have a RFID card access to the lift. So every resident will have card access for their apartment, and if they invite any visitor to their apartment, guard will provide them a card access. So now let's move towards the apartment. So from here we'll be moving towards the lift lobby, as at the ground floor we do not have any apartment. All the apartment will start from the first floor. So in this tower the total number of families will be 34, as till the 16th floor we have apartment, 2 apartment per floor. So 32 apartment and 2 penthouses. So now let's move towards our apartment at the first floor. So now we are at the first floor, and as we have 2 elevators, so one will be a normal elevator and this will be a stretcher elevator, which will help you to bring your furniture to any of the floors. So before we'll enter into the apartment, we have our servant room right at the front. So as you can see that even in the servant room we have used Italian marble throughout, even on the bathroom walls. And the servant room is connected to the kitchen through the utility balcony. So now let's move towards the main door. So this will be our main door. It's a teak wood 8 feet door, standardized door which you are providing in all the apartments, even if it's 2 BHK or 4 BHK. Right next to the entrance door we have our kitchen. So we are providing kitchen just like this, the way it looks like, with upper and lower cabinets. All the fittings that we have used, that's from Hathek Soft Close. And along with this we are providing you all the white goods, including RO, garbage crusher, hob, chimney, microwave and fridge will be provided. And in the you will get a geyser which is concealed in the ceiling. And in the utility balcony we are providing you washing machine and dryer. And even the balcony you will find the same Italian marble throughout. So we are not using tile or wooden flooring anywhere in the apartment. So now let's move towards our bedroom. So this will be our first bedroom. So here we will be providing you complete Italian flooring, Italian marble, complete wardrobes, same quality, with fall ceiling, light fixture, fan and AC will be provided. And this is actually a split AC, not a centralized, although we are providing a look of centralized AC in all the bedrooms. Bathrooms are coming as it is, with glass partition, geyser concealed in the ceiling, with exhaust. All the bath fittings that we are providing, that's from Jaguar or Hansgrohe, and CP fittings that we are providing, that's from Durevit. So same fittings you will get in all the apartments. So as you can see, that this is unsick room. Right next to this bedroom, we have our running balcony. It's a 21 by 6 feet balcony. It's a running balcony till our living room. So while moving towards the living and dining area, we have our powder room. So same powder room you will get in all the apartments. So every bedroom has a bathroom and powder room for the common area. So our living and dining area comes into a split design, which gives you a feeling of two separate rooms. So if we are standing at one corner, the total length of this room is 35 feet. So in this area, we will be providing you this center console as it is, as all the indoor units of air conditioners are concealed in this. Along with that, you will get a light fixture, fans and fall ceiling. We are not providing you chandeliers. And this wall will be a plain wall like this. So from here we'll be moving towards our bedrooms. So this side we have our kids bedroom. Size of the room is 13 by 11 and a half. So all the same specification will be provided here as well, including Italian marble flooring, wardrobe, fall ceiling, light fixture, fan and AC. Bathrooms are coming as it is. The way it looks like. And this room also has an attached balcony. So because of 2 apartments per floor, every apartment is 2 side open. So from one side of balcony you will get inside view, and the other side balcony will provide you city view. So now we are entering into the master bedroom. The size of the room is 16 by 11 and a half. So this has a separate balcony. Size of this balcony is 6 by 12. And along with this room, we have a walk-in closet. So here we have used proper utilization of space, as we have created a L-shaped wardrobe. And a pretty good size of bathroom. So this will conclude our video for 3 BHK. If you have any questions, you have number below, you can contact us and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you for your watching. Have a wonderful day.